A topic that we should all be thinking about, and I mean literally every single one of us, is AI, artificial intelligence, and how that will affect our lives moving forward. And candidly, not just our lives, our country's position in the world, our morality, everything. And I don't mean to be melodramatic, but it is just that dramatic. When you think about AI and its application to all of the facets of our life, you have to realize a few things. It represents a fundamental reframing of every issue that we all face. But I'm going to talk about the one issue that I'm most familiar with, professionally at least, legal issues. I will say, to this point, AI does a very good job of screening off, like these chatbots, I mean. They won't answer many medical questions and they won't answer many legal questions. They'll say things like, we're not authorized to answer XYZ. I'm not even talking about it in terms of whether or not they can give good advice. I want to talk about legal questions or questions that you may pose to AI in one very narrow, specific way. These questions that you're asking this particular computer are not protected in any way. They can be used by the companies that run this AI to educate the AI or build algorithms and models of you, but more importantly to you, they can be sold to other industries, and that data is the product that they're selling. Your information, your data is the product. When you ask AI something, whether it's legal related or not, understand that you're putting that out into the universe to be used by powers well beyond your control. And I don't mean to make it sound like a Terminator 2 Judgment Day situation. That's not what I'm saying. These companies are motivated by exactly one thing: what's best for these companies. And when you're communicating with these chatbots, understand that they are using you in whatever the context is, particularly if you're giving them confidential legal information. So all I can say is, don't do that. It's not confidential if you're telling it to a chatbot.